Welcome back, everyone, to another delicious episode here at Forever Acres Kitchen. We got a special one for you today because I get to cook with my mom, Miss Carmen Hernandez. Today, we're making a potato salad, but not just any potato salad. This is my Aunt Miriam's potato salad. It is the best in the world. There's some key ingredients that makes this potato salad the best. Pimientos for one. We're going to dice these up, right? Ham,
Yes,
cube ham,
Mhm.
egg, and apple. We're going to dice these as well, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so what's the first thing we need to do, Mama?
The potatoes.
The potatoes.
We're
Peel
gonna,
them,
we're gonna peel them,
dice them
dice them
evenly,
evenly, and then boil
and then
them.
we're going to boil them. All right, so let's get started.
Mhm. Bloop.
All right,
Okay,
let's get to it.
let's get to business. But the mama like this because look at how fast.
Yeah, you're a lot faster.
I love potatoes. To peel potatoes. And then the Yukons are good because they know the skin is so soft. See?
You peel these so fast.
Huh? Really?
Oh my gosh. So I got one potato, she's got four. Wow. I gotta catch up.
Fast, son fast.
I know. All right, so we got the potatoes peeled. Now we're going to dice them up, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I just cut it in half,
Cut them in half.
and then I do this.
Half and then, okay. Like that, like that, like that, and then you dice them.
No, 2 times. That's it. See? Mm-hmm.
Like that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, who taught you how to cook?
My mom
Your mom taught you just
My
like
mom-
you taught me.
and my grandma.
And your grandma, yeah.
Because in Puerto Rico, everybody worked. Everybody had to do.
worked.
Everybody had to do something. Oh yeah. If you don't cook, you peel.
And you had to do a lot of work because you were the only child.
I was the only child.
Oh, man.
Yes. And they taught me everything, but I know.
Well, kind of like you taught me, right?
Right? And I love to teach my granddaughters too. My grandsons. Everybody in Puerto Rico cook.
Now,
They do good.
where did Aunt Miriam get this recipe from?
Grandma. Your great
From my
grandma.
great grandmother?
Grandma Crescencia Miranda. She taught her how to cook because Miriam went to live with her after her mama passed away. My husband, of course, your daddy. And she learns everything from there because she was very little. So she helped because grandma used to work.
Because I can't find any recipes that have
No,
those ingredients.
You're not going to find it.
Where do you think Grandma Crescencia got those ingredients?
Remember, their family was from Spain. And this recipe probably it come from
So kind of, okay,
kind of, you know,
pimiento, yeah, so it's kind of-
pimento,
the
apple,
ham,
the
they probably
ham.
use Iberico ham.
There we go.
Some good Spanish ham.
Yes.
So that's now. What about the apple? Because that right there really is what takes this potato salad to another level. Is that you get that hint of sweetness, and it's just great. It's great. Where
It is
did the
wonderful.
apple come from? You think?
Really, I
Also,
don't
you
know.
don't
It
know,
probably
huh?
the recipe, you
So
know,
she
her
got that recipe, and then she passed it down to you,
to
right?
me. Mhm.
And now you're showing me. I wish Titi Miriam could be here. Aunt Miriam.
She gonna
we
see
say
us.
Titi in Spanish, but
She's gonna see us.
that would be because that would be fun. Those two together. I don't even need to be on the show. But so we're gonna get these into the boiling water,
There you go.
salt it,
Salt it.
and then we're also gonna throw the eggs in there
The
with
eggs.
the potatoes, get those boiled,
Mhm.
and then we'll continue.
Because when we cook this, you get half ready. The only thing is chop, 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 chop. Put it together, and the salad is ready.
Chop, 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 chop. Put it together, and that's it.
That's it.
All right, let's continue.
Add the adobo. Lo prende rapidito. Mhm.
And we're gonna put it on high, right?
Yes, and we need the eggs.
And we need the eggs.
Yeah, just this will be less than half hour. They done
Half hour.
because your stuff is good. Your stuff cook better.
We're gonna throw an egg in there.
Mhm. 3 eggs.
3 eggs in
There
there.
we go. We cut the pimientos. Huh? Yep, cover. What I do, I put a little bit of oil, olive oil, Papi, like a one of olive oil,
What are we doing?
1 tablespoon of olive oil.
1 tablespoon of
That's
olive
it.
oil.
It's just to make it soft, you know. Oh, we got one potato with a peeling. That was pretty.
That's your fault.
That's my fault.
That's your fault.
That's my
I'm
fault.
joking. That's probably me. So now we're gonna let this boil for how long?
I would say 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
30 minutes, but between 25 and 30 minutes.
25, 30
Yeah.
minutes. All right, so now we're gonna dice up the pimientos.
Yeah.
We're
That's the
also
pimiento.
gonna, and we're gonna dice these up as well, right?
This up the apples.
Dice
too.
up the apples.
Mhm.
Go ahead and take them off from the floor. Now, what's your favorite dish to make?
Arroz con gandules.
Arroz con gandules. We'll have to make that one.
And cube steak. Arroz con gandules and cube steaks.
steak.
Woohoo!
For those who know,
I got that at home. We're gonna do it one day.
Another thing we gotta do together is you gotta show me how to make your empanadas.
The
Mom's
empanadas.
empanadas are the best. For those who know,
The
you
empanadas.
know. Write in the comments what you think about my mom's empanadas. They're the best.
Empanadas y rellenos de papas.
Is this good or fine?
Perfect, perfect. The little the better. Because remember, we don't need to have them big.
Now, what other cooks inspired you? I know we used to watch TV a lot.
Oh, that show in Germany. What is his name? It's a Chinese guy.
Walk with Jan.
Walk with Young.
We used
Yes.
to watch that in Fort Worth.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
My dad was military, so we grew up in the military base.
Yes, yes. Walk with Young.
Walk with Jan, Emerald.
Mm-hmm.
What was the French lady's name? She had the interesting.
Yes, I
voice.
forgot her name. So yes. Oh yeah. I forgot her. Let me remind.
Julia Childs.
Hey, thank you.
Julia Childs.
Yes,
Yes.
that's it. That's my girl.
I used to love watching
Woo,
Julia Childs.
yes.
I love watching Walk with Jan.
We have the book of her. I have the book.
My mom bought his walk set.
Yes.
I remember you always cooking in his walk set.
Yes. I love that. Oh my goodness, yes.
Those were good times.
I always like my children to eat good and to have a good meal, you know?
Nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
I think it shows that we ate well.
Right.
I think it shows we ate well.
And I love to cook. I just entertain myself. My parents have business before, bakery and restaurants. So, and then we have a bakery and restaurant. So I just have to like it whether I like it or not. So,
It's
hey,
therapeutic.
yes,
So
yes,
It's very
yes.
therapeutic. I
Yeah.
love. That's why I like to cook.
yes.
I find it to be very therapeutic.
It's a therapy that the people
Yeah.
don't know how much you're just thinking in this and you don't think in other things.
Right.
You know? I mean,
chop and
oh
dice
yes.
and cut and
It's
your mind just
to
goes
me
wherever
it's the best therapy. But so many people don't like to cook, so I can understand. Not everybody like the kitchen,
likes to cook.
and not everybody like to do dishes. I can understand that too. But hey, I like it. I like to get dirty and I like to cook. So I like a lot of Italian food, and I like also French food too.
Who doesn't like it?
Yeah. Yeah. Mexican food. I like Mexican food too. Oh yeah.
There's the apples.
Yeah.
We're gonna put this in here, Mama.
Look, yours are more little than me. I cannot believe it.
Oh,
My
I'm
son did it better. What is? Yeah.
Yeah, what dice yours at, Mama? Hold up.
You're gonna put that, and then we're gonna put the ham together.
All right, so we're gonna get ham. We got the pimientos in here. We're gonna put all the apples.
Nice apple. Look at how pretty.
All the
Woo!
nice diced apples. We're gonna season it with some garlic powder.
Garlic powder. I put half a spoon.
Oh, half a spoon.
More. Okay. I already put this one.
All right, you already put a little bit of this before I can get her recording it, but you're gonna put about
I put one.
About a tablespoon of
Tablespoon.
adobo.
And
How
then
much oregano?
half.
Is your half of oregano? So half a tablespoon.
Oregano molido.
So a couple
Ground.
couple teaspoons of oregano.
Exactly.
All right.
Ground.
Ground.
Not the
ground
leaf.
oregano.
Not the leaf.
Not the ones with the leaf.
No.
All right. So now we just gotta wait for
We're gonna leave it
the potatoes
marinated.
and eggs to finish.
Mhm.
And then we can get all that in. And then we have to let that cool down.
Yes, a little bit.
And then, all right.
Mayonnaise, I put. Let me see. It's gonna be like a half a cup.
Half a cup of mayonnaise.
Half a
So 3/4 cups of mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
And I'll have all the ingredients in the caption.
We're gonna put the ingredients. There we go.
That's all right. We'll figure it out.
Vamos a ver cómo esto ya casi está, ¿sabes? Déjame chequear las papas. Que no se pueden poner muy blanditas.
All right, so how you know when they're done?
Huh.
Yeah, that's how you know they're done.
When they're soft.
When they're soft.
That's it.
All right, I got the potatoes cooled down. And then you want me to dice these up as well.
Very, very, very smooth.
Very, very small.
Yes, sir.
So cute. Like so. Like that?
Uh-huh.
All right. All right, so just like that? All right. So let's go ahead and get them in here.
Mm-hmm. You got it.
All right, so we got the potatoes cooled. Now we put everything in here and fold into with the potatoes, right?
That's it. And then let it get cool in the
Yeah,
refrigerator.
we put this in this with the potatoes. At least 2 hours you want to put in the fridge, but overnight is the best. The next day, this potato salad is going to be phenomenal. So let's get this in here.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Gently fold that in.
Gently, yes.
Yeah, because you don't want mashed potato salad.
You don't want to break the potatoes.
Yeah, you don't want to smush.
That's why you don't cook them so soft. You know what I mean?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is going to be so good.
Woohoo! Judge. There we go.
So there's your fork.
Yeah.
The moment of truth. Now we get to taste.
Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see how we did, Mama.
Let's go. Mm.
So good.
You don't need nothing else.
It's that apple and the pimientos that just really just, I don't know what it is, but it just takes it over the top. It's a good potato salad. Make it. Let me know what you think. Did you have a lot of fun, Mom?
Yes. Thank
Hope
you.
you guys had a lot of fun.
Thank
as much
you.
as I did. Thank you for doing this with me.
Oh.
I love you, Mama. And thank you to Aunt Miriam for this wonderful, wonderful recipe. We got to continue this, passing down this recipe because it truly is the best potato salad. All right, so there you have it. Thank you for watching. Till next time.
Eat well, my friends. Eat well.
You got it.
Eat well, my friends. ¿Quiere que la ponga en la nevera, papá?